Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is my 2009 Ford Taurus X with a 3.5 V6 in it, and I'm doing the valve cover gaskets and intake manifold gaskets. Gotten the front one off here. These things are very freaking brittle. I can see why it was leaking now, because these things were basically original, 160,000 miles. And yeah, these things are very brittle and hard, so that's partially why it was leaking. I was just noticing a little bit of a leak here on the, the passenger front side. But, I mean, it's not impossible to get to all this. The trick is you have to remove everything on the top of the engine. The intake manifold, the throttle body, the air box over here, all of it has to come out. And you've got so many little connectors and things relating to the fuel rail and the computer, and basically everything has to be disconnected. Every hose, every PVC, everything has to be disconnected and moved out of the way, if it'll focus, to get to this stuff. But it's not impossible. It's just kind of time consuming. And once you get everything removed, I took a plastic mallet, hard plastic mallet like this guy here, because it was very stuck. This cover was quite stuck here to the top end, to the head. So I took this plastic mallet and gave it some good strikes around the edge. I also you can use like a piece of 2x4 or something, because you don't want to damage this here. But I did a few things just to get it to break loose a bit, and then you can take a really wide bladed screwdriver and just get underneath it and just pry up on it, because it's going to be stuck on there pretty good. So don't be surprised. Just make sure that you've gotten all of the fasteners out, because there are quite a few scattered all throughout this thing. So make sure they are all removed. Otherwise, you'll wonder why the heck the thing is not coming off. Anywho, looks pretty good, for 160K. This thing runs really, really good, in my opinion. I was just noticing a little bit of an oil leak coming out of this side valve cover here. Anywho, there's plenty of other videos on how to do all this. I just wanted to give you my input on how I got the cover off. And hopefully the rear one will not be so difficult, because there's not much access back there. There's not much clearance to get any pry tools or whatever. So anyway, that's it. Check out our other videos. We got more stuff that we've done to this car and other cars, Ford Mustang, older Chevy trucks, Buick Skylarks, old classic cars, motocross bikes, Harley Davidsons, lawnmowers, you name it. Every time we're fixing things and we think there's a video that may help you guys, we try to post it for you. So like, subscribe, follow, click the bell, and help us out, because we try to do good for you. So y'all have a good day. We'll see you.